Yahoo! The one and only old Otaku Prof is here, and we've got a bit of a Poke haul. So, stopped a day early, just because that's when I happened to be out there at the hobby shop. And they're out of the new, was it Shining Fates? I might have that wrong, the newest ones. But I did manage to pick up some XY Evolutions this time and Vivid Voltage. But later in the video, you're going to see me popping these open. But a couple more things did come in today. Let's take a look here. So first of it, Amazon, as you can see there. Oh, look at that. It's another Amazon warehouse Mewtwo box. Now, I can see that those packs are already opened. So, pretty sure this one's going to be disappointing. But that's number 2 for Amazon warehouse. I do have one known good brand new one we're going to open up first. But I believe there's at least 2 more of these, if not 3 more, coming in by the end of the week. So expect a big video that has the good one, and then followed up by popping open and seeing if these other ones are good or not. The reason why I don't mind getting a couple of those is they're not that, they're like a bit over 20 bucks, and a single XY Evolutions is in the $15 to $20 range. Next up, also Amazon warehouse here, Detective Pikachu pack here. And I can pretty much guarantee that even though this is Amazon warehouse, it's not opened. Because there's no way that if you open this, you'd be able to reseal it. It's like that cardboard with the plastic. So they're just, I mean, maybe somebody, if they got real creative. But there's 4 card Detective Pikachu packs. 1 Detective Pikachu promo card, and 1 Crimson Invasion. I do have the bigger one of these, not the biggest, but one of the bigger sizes than this, that comes with the binder for the cards. So, the next video, we're going to open up that bigger one, and this one here, since they are smaller packs. But I'm not too worried about this not actually having what it says, because it's very unlikely that somebody could open that up and repackage it. It does have quite a bit of damage, too. Usually the stuff that's actually damaged was truly returned. Alright, well, let's get you guys down from the big old tripod down to the little gorilla pod and start the pulls on what I picked up at the hobby shop. Alright, well, as we get this set up here, we're going to start with, I got 2 XY Evolutions, 2 different boosters for once, because I only ever seem to get Mega Blastoise, and 2 different Vivid Voltage packs. Gigantic Pikachu and that one Ladybug thing, I think. We're going to open up these first. Before that, we need our sleeves here. We're using up the ones that came in that one Elite Trainer box, since I stopped there and they had not yet gotten in some of the matte yellow Dragon Shields. So, this, if we're running, they cap both of these at 2. I could have gotten some other stuff, but the stuff I wanted there was like real expensive. And since I just got cards, you know, just standard boosters the other day at Walmart, you know, I don't think the more expensive stuff there does not sell. Like it was the Pikachu GX box, or Pikachu and Eevee GX box. So I think there were at least 2 or 3 of them there as well. So I'm not too worried. Alright, online card is coming off. If you guys are interested in that, hit me up on Twitter, at the Prophetist. Gladly give it to you. Just let me know which one you're looking for. Alright, so first up here we have Alistair, followed by Cramorant, Nessa, Electrike, Mudbray, Pineco. That reminds me of like a very Tokyo-esque, like fireworks bridge kind of style. Ow. Maybe that's what it's actually supposed to be. Poochyena. Charmander. That reminds me very much of an older style of cards, not the original. That does not look like the original. Ow. And we have a reverse hollow Mudbray. I think I already have one of those, so if you guys are interested, let me know. Whoo! And there we go. A secret hollow card. Memory capsule. We got the pulls already, guys. Woo-wee! Let's get those guys sleeved up here. At some point I need to put my cards away. I even have, I don't know if you guys have seen it by now, but I did buy a, what's the brand? BCW 800 card house. It holds 12 800 card trays, and that's just from my commons. And then I have quite a few of these Ultra Pro binders that have the nice cloth, double-sided, what do I call them, pages. Alright, so now for the gigantic Pikachu Vivid Voltage pack here. Online card. 1, 2, 3. Alright, you got a Swellow. I don't know if I've had this one before. It's actually some pretty cool art. Zebstrika. Dusclops. Cottony. Aerocuda. And there's that one bird that we just did before. I've been trying to eat it. Nincada. Rockruff. I think I ended up with a, that's my work phone going off. Yay, work emails. Picky Peck. A reverse hollow Dynamo. May have one of these ready. And a Don Fan. And then a Grass Energy. Wasn't the last one a Grass Energy too? Yeah. Apparently we're liking the Grass Energies today. I think that happened the other night too, where like every energy I pulled was a Grass Energy. Alright, and now we got two of these XY evolutions. We'll start with the Mega Venusaur here. And this is my pack, guys, right here. Oh, I thought I'd torn it. Ooh, a nice clean pull. Give her a whiff. A little on the musty side, I'd say. Online card. 1, 2, 3. Alright, you got a Porygon. I don't know if I actually have one of those yet. Either a very classic N64 look. I feel like that was why this one came out like that. I might be wrong, but we got a Full Heal. Poliwhirl. I think I have a hollow one of those. Tangela. Ponyta. Doduo. Staryu. Seal. Oh, reverse hollow super potion. It's pretty dope. And a Mewtwo. Very interesting. It's actually a pretty good looking reverse hollow if you ask me. Matches up with the art very well. You know, it's probably like a super generic reverse hollow, like the art or the hollow part of it, but it just works with that artwork. Alright, so on to our second XY Evolutions pack here. Ooh, came up any news here. Mega Blastoise. Probably the one of these I've opened the most. 1, 2, 3. Alright, there's another Super Potion. Except it's the non-hollow variant. Brock's Grit. Maintenance. I don't think I've seen one of those yet. That's a classic one for me. Nostalgia and a little picture right there. Machop. Weedle. Oh, freaking Weedle. I don't know, I've seen so many Weedles, I swear. Doduo. Staryu. Onyx. Oh, that's a pull. Followed up by an Arcanine. We got our second pull of the night here. Starmie. Break. Well, there you guys go. 2 pulls out of 4. I'd say that's a pretty good ratio for these couple packs here. Let's take a gander through what I pulled before we end this video. Alright, so we got Reverse Hollow Mudbray, which I think I already have. Then we have the Secret Rare Hollow Memory Capsule Trainer card. Dynamo Reverse Hollow. Followed by the Reverse Hollow Super Potion that I quite like how it looks. It just, the hollow lines up well with the background of the art. I don't know if it shows as well on camera, but in person, like, it almost doesn't look like that's not hollow there. And then we had the big pull here. Starmie Break. I think I have a reverse hollow Starmie. Should probably work on getting a hollow one, you know? Alright, well, hopefully you enjoyed the little bit of a Poke haul and a preview of what's to come. You know, hit subscribe and little notification bell, and hopefully come back for the next video where we open up some Detective Pikachu stuff. I am on the lookout for more of that, because I think there's 2 even bigger boxes than the 2 I'm going to be opening. There's a tin, actually I should say, and 1 bigger box. I'd like to get my hands on both of those, and there might be some like Mewtwo ones or something like that as well. Let me know what's all available for Detective Pikachu, because I'd like to you know, get my hands on it if I can. It just seems like an interesting set. And we'll see you in the next one, hopefully.